As a seller, managing orders from multiple stores can be tiresome. On top of that, imagine if you had to email documents such as packing slips, invoice templates to customers, depending on the store where the order is received. It makes things even more complicated. OrderHive makes things easier for you by helping you create automation to set email and invoice templates according to store. First, go to Automation page and click on New Automation option. Name the automation and select a trigger. Select the condition for this automation as the store being OrderHive. At this option, you can select any of your online web stores. Further, within the actions, select Set Template and Email. After selecting the condition and action, select the template you want to set for each of your documents. This automation will automatically set the templates for each of your orders, and you will simply need to click on Print, Download or Email. There you go, folks. Setting up template and email is super easy in OrderHive. If you have any further questions, click on the chat icon below to speak to our product expert.